Right, lockdown walk, day 1.
Well, we did a little one last night.
Oh yeah. You've heard Suzanne mention in the vlogs that she goes to Slimming World. And last time during the lockdown, it was 6 weeks. She normally tries to get me to slow down. Whenever she's on camera, she's racing away. I've committed to, anyway, every day she wants to go out for a walk. On the last lockdown, it was 6 weeks, wasn't it? That you
It was, yeah.
6 whole weeks before she left the house. So she's going to take advantage of the outdoor exercise, and that's what we're going to try and do all the way through it, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And let's see how you get on.
Yeah, because you ladies know how difficult it is to lose weight.
And today we've come to the walks at Rushden Lakes. So hopefully there's plenty to see as well as walking.
This is just the right speed for me.
Is it? Well, that's half a mile, Suzanne. How are you doing?
Is it really?
More or less, yeah.
Is
Okay.
that lots?
No stopping her now. What's your goal for today then? 10 miles?
No. I've done 25 minutes, was it last night?
25 minutes last night, yeah.
So I'm working my way up to be able to do an hour.
No, that's the best way to do it. So after about 4 weeks, 10 miles will be easy.
I'm not trying to catch up with you walking, because you walk far too fast.
You just
For
seem so slow. You and Annette, you sort of amble along.
Oh, don't bring a net into it.
You tell me you do.
Well, we do.
Anyway, you're doing well so far. That's about 30 minutes. Suzanne, how are you doing?
Alright, it's a bit sore.
There you go then, that's about a mile and a half you've done.
Yeah, and I'm knackered now.
Yeah, but proud of yourself?
Well, I will be when I get back. I'm knackered, honestly.
Yeah. Well, as many days as possible and then you'll feel the benefits, won't you?
Oh yeah, I'm really looking forward to being able to do it and not feel like this.
Are you nearly done in?
Jesus Christ, you guys.